In this video, I will walk you through a detailed look at Hemavex Gluco Capsules, comparing this supplement to other options you might find in the metabolic health market. When choosing a blood sugar support product, the trade-off usually comes down to transparency versus convenience. On the standout side, Hemavex offers a very straightforward daily routine with a 60-capsule bottle format designed for general wellness. It contrasts with more complex medical regimens by utilizing a blend of botanical extracts like cinnamon, jemima, and bitter melon. However, a major point of contrast here is the disclosure of ingredients. While competitors often list exact dosages, Hemavex does not fully disclose the specific amounts of its active components like chromium and alpha-lipoic acid. This makes it a great choice for those looking for a simple, all-in-one capsule to support their goals, but it might be a drawback for users who prefer precise control over their nutrient intake. The product wins for those seeking value, especially with the buy two get two free pricing at $49.95. You should take 2 capsules daily, ideally 30 to 60 minutes before your largest meal. It is manufactured in the USA and comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, which provides some peace of mind for new users. Just remember to consult a professional if you are on medication. That wraps up our deep dive into Hemavex Gluco Capsules. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more supplement reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think about proprietary blends, and I will see you in the next video.